Welcome back to my another video, and my name is Maddie Falke channel name. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like button down, and if you have any problem please comment down below. So today we're gonna play Clash Royale, and I will give daily information about all of the things. I already done that one video is there, that bully with Maddie, and this is my second video. Today only I have done the two video. I will try to career mode of the bully will be completed as soon. I will try, and sorry for my weak English. और भाई अगर मेरे को किसको मेरी ज़रूरत है क्लैश रॉयल में, वो मुझे बुला सकता है, कमेंट में भी बोल सकता है, या फिर फेसबुक पे मेरे को ऐड कर सकता है। फ्रेंड मेडी फाल्के ही है, और ये आप देख सकते हैं मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं मिला इसमें भी कॉमन और रेयर मिला। ये देखते हैं मेरा चेस कुछ अच्छा है, नो। सो हियर इज़ दैट संडे इवेंट आई हैव buy. Oh, I can buy one more. The Dark Prince is best for my this deck. See here, मैं प्रिंस और डार्क प्रिंस को एक साथ छोड़ता हूँ तो मुझे मिल जाता है एक क्रोन, वो 1000 पैसे, वाह। और कुछ लेजेंडरी मिल सकता है, क्योंकि इससे पहले मेरे को इसमें स्पार्की मिली थी, वो इस बार सिर्फ एपिक मिला, और जो मैं यूज़ नहीं करता उसमें से ही मिला है। और हम इसे डोनेट कर सकते हैं इसे भी। और मैं कह देता हूँ मैं क्लैश ऑफ क्लैन में भी बहुत अच्छा डोनेटर हूँ। मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि उसकी वीडियो बहुत जल्दी डालूँ। ओ विज़ार्ड, सॉरी ब्रो। Oh, the giant, I can give you as much you want. I have 700, you can see here. And wizard, sorry bro. And minion also I can give. I don't care about the minion and minion horde. So sorry for the witch and baby dragon. I have to oh, it's gone now. I will get some wizard. The wizard is my favorite card. Now see my profile. Baby dragon is my currently, and see my crown funded. Card found. This is my health and range and all. So we will try to get this all. I will try my best. So here the draft challenge is on. Come on man, fast. Oh yeah, the baby dragon is my favorite. So what the next, man? Come on, fast. Where? Oh, miner, of course, man. And what? So bandit. Wow, amazing. And wizard, obviously. So he have the prince, I have the bandit. I can kill him with one more troops. I will save this bandit, and I am trying to make a force, and it will direct. Oh, that giant will hit up my. Come on, go man. Oh, it's destroyed. So go further, miner. Come on, miner, go. I know you can do it, miner. Here is the one I got crown. You can see it. It is the easy way to get the crown. So I think I should leave the balloon now only. Come on. यार द बलून को, पंडित जाओ, अब तुम्हारी बारी। पंडित उसे अपना डैश दिखा दो, डैश याद। ओ इसी के साथ बहुत कम डैमेज हुए। अभी मैं तो इसका डायरेक्ट क्रोन ले सकता हूँ, मगर हमें अपना भी क्रोन बचाना है। इसके लिए हम पहले अपनी सिक्योरिटी ढूंढेंगे। नहीं, यस देखिए, अच्छा मैंने छोड़ा नहीं तो अभी तक मैं घायल हो चुका रहता। बहुत गंदा, बहुत 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 गंदा। ओ कम ऑन, इट कैन नॉट हिट माय टावर। सो यार द प्रिंसेस कम, व्हाट शुड आई डू मैन? I can't think of that. The princess is down. There below. Come on, go balloon you. I know you can do it. Please, bandit. Dash it with a crazy movement. Oh, bandit. They care about the bandit. Well played, bro. मैं आपको मेरा ये भी लॉग दिखा सकता हूँ। मैं इस पे जाके आया हूँ। देखो मेरे को ये सब मिल चुके हैं ज़्यादातर। देखो जैसे कि यहाँ पर आइस स्पिरिट आ गया, क्लोन, बॉलर, बैट्स। मैं जा चुका हूँ, उस पे से उतरा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पसंद नहीं आया था वो अरीना। अभी पसंद आ रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ नाइट विच आ चुकी है। और इसी के साथ यह शायद से ना एक स्पेल आ रही है। और फ्लाइंग मशीन तो ऑसम है यार। सीहर देख सकते हैं आप, फ्लाइंग मशीन। और इसी के साथ क्या हुआ, एक विंस दिखा रही है। और मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं क्विक बैटल करके अपने क्रोन्स, कभी भी आपको चेस जमा करना है तो प्लीज़ क्विक मैच करिए क्योंकि उससे देखो अच्छे प्लेयर आते हैं। अभी मुझे आया तो नहीं है, फिर भी देख सकते इसके साथ हम अच्छा खेल सकते क्या नहीं। और मैं प्रिंस छोड़ने की बहुत घाई रहती है। अब हम हमारा मेन डेक, आई थिंक दिस इज़ ओनली माई मेन डेक। Oh no, don't worry. Yes, this is the main deck I have, but I have to left Baby Dragon because Baby Dragon is the best thing that he try the splash attack. See now, he will destroy one, not 8. He is the crazy. See the deck. Oh, it was too close, man. It was too close. It was too close. Oh, I can't secure it. Come on, Valkyria, go. Please, I can't. और गाइस मैं अभी भी आपको बोल रहा हूँ, अगर कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ मेरे को कमेंट में बोलिए। और आपको कोई भी गेम मुझसे खिलवाना है तो प्लीज़ बोलिए मुझे कमेंट में। मैं आपके लिए वॉर टाइम या फिर कुछ भी बना सकता हूँ, एकर्ड या एक्शन टाइप सी। ये तो चले गया, इसका तो कोई गिनती ही नहीं रखी हमने। और कम ऑन बेबी ड्रैगन वर्सेस बेबी ड्रैगन। ओह डार्क प्रिंस गो फास्ट, प्लीज फास्ट। तेरा मैजिक का है, चले गया वे। ओह क्या बचा है यार, बहुत बेहतरीन। ये इफ़ेक्ट 190 करता है तो हमें बहुत टाइम लगेगा उसे तोड़ने। तो हम यहाँ सिक्योर कर लेंगे और डैमेज परसेंट भी इसका बढ़ा देंगे। देखिए कितने इजीली हमने उसे सिक्योर कर चुके हैं। और अभी मैं कोशिश करूँगा तो कैसे भी हमको वो लेना पड़ेगा। ओ सिक्योर कर, मेरे पास एलिक्सर नहीं है। ओ मैंने खाली फुकट डाल दिया यहाँ पे, मुझे वहाँ पे डालना था। जबकि यहाँ से क्यों ले रहा है पागल, हमें वहाँ से लेना है। अच्छा मैं यहाँ से लेता हूँ, तो वहाँ से सिक्योर कर। अरे यार प्लीज डार्क प्रिंस, कम ऑन, वन मोर हिट, वन मोर। वो वी कैन टेक द 2 crores here. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh what the hell you have done, man, what the hell. Come on, secure that goblin. Yes, we have secured it. Now I just wanted to get the crown, so I will sandwich. Oh, he have the witch level 3. The dark prince, no, we need baby dragon. Here, he has some sense. Oh man, prince and dark prince, I think I can send him. Come on. There is a true lava. Woo! I sent first. तो हमें एक सिल्वर चेस्ट मिल चुका है 15 पैसे। और ये देखिए हमें 400 पैसे, इसमें तो कुछ अच्छा मिलता ही है। क्या है यार, रॉकेट छी। हम अभी एक ड्राफ्ट चैलेंज और खेलेंगे। और अब मुझे तो मेरा फेवरेट कार्ड चाहिए, इसी के साथ मैं लूँगा जो सबको मार देंगे। और अभी हमें सिर्फ लेस चाहिए, लेस, ओनली द लेस वन। I think he will give me the oh, Ice Wizard and my Dark Prince. Cool man, cool. You are the best guy I've ever seen. Now the prince come together. Oh, this one is the crazy one I have ever seen. The one crown is in my hand. I ever told you. The best thing is my prince and my dark prince. I love that truth. Again and again, again and again, every time, every time, every time, every time. So I will try to send them again. Oh, the royal giant is in my hand. So I think I should send the royal giant with the hog rider. I need 10 elixir, so I will take that. Oh my god, I have no air troops, no air troops. Please hit that one, please hit. Come on, hog rider beyond. What man, I think I should have that elixir, click storage, whatever. So I think this is the best. And oh, Ice Wizard, come on now, you are now going. Please secure me, please. I know you can do it. Oh, that's the map pro. So I will 190 hit damage. Now the prince and the prince will eat this one. What the hell, man? I have the prince and the dark prince. Cool, man, cool. Obviously cool, man, obviously. Thank you so much. Goodbye, buddy. Oh, it is too close. Come on, the royal giant. I know you are there with me. I know that you are there with me. I know that. Come on, royal giant. I know. Please, just a little moment. You can stay up there and we won, obviously. Come on. Now they scared from the lightning. Really, the lightning is too much scary. So I am warning because of the card I am having. I have played this 3-time draft challenge. Now I am warning last. So Zep is not working. I will take it. Oh lava, ooh lava, ooh lava. I gave him the golem because I have too much elixir there only. So I also have the log. Oh my goodness. Thank you, bro. I will have your one more chance. If I have the clone, I immediately can take that. This one. Oh, I don't have air troops. Please a little second wait. Oh no, I can't believe this. Too early, I destroyed my clone. Sorry. OMG. What the hell is this going on, man? What the hell? Come on, go log. What are you doing? Sorry, bro. Now I am scared from the Zep. I will make another video of Clash of Clans in, I think I will make now only. I am too happy to give you to see my base and all. And if you want to join, please tell me down comment or otherwise on Facebook, Medifal Game. Come on, pick up the card fast, man. I have taken the last C here, so I can attack him force wise, a little force. He think that good card will come me. Oh, the balloon is with me, so I will let the balloon to go up there first here, then here, then up there, then the low royal giant is also with me. Come on, we can take one of that. So royal giant will be go further north here. Come on, royal giant, go and show who are you. Yay, what a yay. Now you will take my yay. Bye bye, yay. Oh, the royal giant is in hurt. Oh, I am too close. Oh, well played, bro. Thank you. I am too close. You can't think of that. I am too close. Come on, minion. I know that you can do it. That. Come on, come on. You are that they can fight for me. को लकड़ी के ढांचे जाओ. यही वो लकड़ी के ढांचे जो मुझे बचाते हैं हमेशा, मगर मैं उन लोग को हकाल देता हूँ और मैं हमेशा 3 पे आता हूँ और हार जाता हूँ. देख लिए, अब मैं हार जाऊँगा एक और एक, देख लेना. हमेशा मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होता है आता है. ओ, दोनों बहुत अच्छे कार्ड है. सॉरी बलून. Oh, the princess. Lumberjack. Sorry, I have taken a stupid card over here. Archer and now I will send my prince back for secure. Then Dark Goblin here and this, and afterward the graveyard. So graveyard will get the red spell. Come on, fast. Please, fast. Come on, fast. Come on. I know you will do it. Oh, man, please. I know, yeah. Shit, man, shit. I need to make up my defense for this tower. And then the princess as usually go there. And the Dark Goblin as usually go here. Now we have to send him forward with the princess. Oh, nice one. Thank you. Oh no, Dark Goblin will also die. Oh my god. So after giant we will send the lumberjack, I think so. No, not the lumberjack. Oh, I'm too much confused what I should. Now let him. He will come here and obviously died. Oh no, died. Oh my god. What I will do now? My crown is in their hand. I know that. See, man. I have with the grace. Gotcha. You have got everyone. I know that. Oh shit. Please let till the end of your life. No, I will send first lumberjack as I send Booga Booga. I love this noise. Booga Booga. Booga Booga. 9 pancakes. The mini P.E.K.K.A always says pancakes. Too funny, man. Yeah. Oh no, where I dropped that card. Shit, man, shit. Shit, man, shit, obviously. I know that I will defeat only. So guys, bye. Thank you for watching my videos, and please, what you want to do, you want to play Clash Royale, otherwise Clash of Clans or anything, or open the chest, but I need to button dabaing that subscribe, and please hit the like button and watch till end. Means the end is now, and make sure you comment down below my problem. Sorry, bye guys.